The Evens Foundation was founded in the 90s in Antwerp by the family Evens, father, the mother and the children, to support projects that enhance living harmoniously together. So they were, of course, coming from Poland on the end of the World War II. They were very in favor to build a real strong Europe for living together harmoniously. So that's the baseline of the Evens Foundation. Now what we try to do is we have projects in 3 domains. We are working in media education, and the prize of this evening is of course in this area, in this medium. There is a second area, that's the media. So the first one is peace education, the second is media. In the media we are supporting also projects to learn children and adults how to use the media, to be critical about the media. And the third one is European citizenship. And so we are supporting different projects in Europe, different countries in Europe, in these 3 areas of what we call living harmoniously together in Europe.
That wanted to know the best ways of teaching how to go about conflict in a classroom. And they did an all-European call saying, what are European projects that help teachers to deal with conflict in the classroom? Then the Evens Foundation made an independent jury of experts from all over Europe, and we got total liberty as independent experts to decide on the 10 final candidates which one will get the prize. And then Cultura de Pau got the prize, basically because it's a very integrative approach to the problem. It's not just singling out the conflict, but using the conflict and to do more structural changes to the entire organization of a school. And we're looking at the systematic aspects of violence in a school environment. Also that they have a very self-reflective awareness in what are we doing? Are we doing it good? Do we also do ourselves what we preach? You can preach how to do peace, but is it in your own methods? These were the most important strengths, I think, for the jury to decide on this particular project.